These are the learning outcome for this lesson. Okay, continue on chapter 2, Inequalities and Absolute Values, Quadratic Inequalities. In this lesson, we learn about how to solve quadratic inequalities. A quadratic inequality is an inequality of the form ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, where a, b and c are real numbers, with a cannot be 0. Okay, quadratic inequalities can be written as ax square plus bx plus c greater than 0, ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, ax square plus bx plus c greater or equal 0, ax square plus bx plus c less than or equal 0. Quadratic inequalities can be solved by using graphical or algebraic methods. In this lesson, we'll learn about graphical first. Graphical method, the graph of quadratic expression y equal to ax square plus bx plus c is sketched and points where the graph cuts the x-axis, say p and q are known. Okay, this is quadratic graph. Smile. And for a greater than 0 and cut the x-axis at p and q. Y greater than 0 when x less than p or x greater than q. Okay, y greater than 0 is here. Less than p greater than q. Or y less than 0 when x is between p and q. Here, between p and q. For y less than 0. Okay, y greater than 0 above graph, y less than 0 below graph. Okay, examples, solve the following inequalities by using graphical method. X square plus 6x plus 5 greater than 0. So first we need to factorize the equation, and we have x plus 5 and x plus 1 greater than 0. So x equal to negative 5 and x equal to negative 1. Graphical method, sketch the smile graph and point negative 5, negative 1. And then for greater than 0, here sign greater than 0, so sketch graph above x-axis. Okay, then final answer is x less than negative 5 or x greater than negative 1, or interval form. Now we have interval form negative infinity to negative 5 union negative 1 to infinity. This is solution set. Okay. Okay, next example, 6 minus 7x minus 3x square less than 0. For this example, we have a negative 3. So first thing, positive a. We need a positive a. So divide by negative 1. Then we have 3x square plus 7x minus 6 greater than 0. Divide by negative or multiply by negative number. Sign must change. And then follow the next step, factorize 3x minus 2 and x plus 3, and then we have x equal to 2 over 3 and x equal to negative 3. Sketch graph, smile graph, negative 3 and 2 over 3, and then greater than 0 again above line. So we have answers x less than negative 3 or x greater than 2 over 3. Okay, last example, 2x plus 4 less than or equal x square minus x less than 6. Okay, in this example, we have two inequalities, less than or equal and less than 6. Okay, first step, we need to separate the equation. 2x plus 4 less than or equal x squared minus s is the first equation, and x squared minus x less than 6 is the second equation. And then for 2x plus 4 less than or equal x squared minus x, solve or simplify, make it a quadratic. 2x plus 4 minus x squared plus x less than or equal 0. Simplify, we have negative x squared plus 3x plus 4 less than or equal 0. And then positive a. Divide by negative 1 and sign must change. X squared minus 3x minus 4 greater or equal 0. Then factorize. X plus 1, x minus 4 greater or equal 0. And answers x equal to negative 1, x equal to 4. And then for this one, x squared minus x less than 6. So simplify, negative x minus 6 less than 0. Then factorize, we have x minus 3 and x plus 2 less than 0. Then answer x equal to 3 and x equal negative 2. Then solve the answer. X equal negative 1, x equal to 4 as quadratic. Smile graph, negative 1 and 4. Greater than 0 means outside graph here. And then answer is x less than or equal negative 1 or x greater or equal 4. And for this one, x equal to negative 2 and x equal to 3. Less than 0 means inside graph. Then answer is between negative 2 and 3. Okay, then we have two answers. So combine the answer. X less than negative 1 and x greater or equal 4 less than equal negative 1, and x is between negative 2 and 3. Then N means intersection. Intersects between two lines is here, between negative 2 and negative 1. Therefore, final answer is negative 2 less than x less than or equal negative 1. Okay, next example is your exercise. Please submit the exercises at the end of lesson before the class ended. Thank you.